piece you guys are checking out this week called "When Is a Bird a Bird?" It was inspired by a sermon I heard talking about, when is a bird a bird? When he's flying, when he's doing what he's made to do. And, as humans, when are we most human? When we're doing what we're made to do, serve people, serve a God, whatever that is for you, serve community.
What are you hoping that they experience when people observe your work?
I think a lot of it is about humanity and social justice and things like that. So, the cityscape in the background talking about, what can we do in our community directly to relate to one another, to help change a community, to help change a culture, and then to always understand that as individuals we're fleeting. So the feathers in the background blowing away, diminishing. As human beings, we only have so much time. So what do we do before our time is expired? I am most human when I am experiencing life with other people. There are times where doing art and things like that, I'll kind of shut myself away for a certain amount of time, trying to produce, trying to get all these ideas and images and things out of my head and onto a panel or sculpt it or whatever it might be, and then I'd start missing the community of other people. I started understanding that these ideas were derived from happenings with other people, and so in order to continue creating these things, I have to continue experiencing people and experiencing culture, and trying to add to that, community and culture by being ever present and creating and being inspired by what I see. So most engaged, most inspired by when I'm in community.